Welcome to this instructional session. Today, we are exploring a sample processing instrument widely used in microbiology, food testing, pharmaceuticals, and environmental analysis, the paddle blender homogenizer. In this session, you'll learn how it works, how to prepare it for use, how to operate it safely, and how to troubleshoot common issues. What we will cover. In this guide, we'll walk through how a paddle blender homogenizer works. Unpacking and inspection. Operation workflow, keypad and controls, ideal working conditions, safety practices. Troubleshooting, disposal guidelines. Let's begin with understanding the instrument. Understanding the homogenizer. A paddle blender homogenizer processes solid or semi-solid samples by turning them into uniform suspensions using mechanical blending. Instead of blades or direct contact, this instrument uses two paddles to strike and knead a sterile sample bag. Inside the bag, the sample and diluent mix thoroughly as pressure and oscillation act on the material. This method prevents cross-contamination, avoids sample loss, and maintains microbial integrity, essential for sensitive analytical applications. The homogenizer can handle blocks, pastes, powders, and food matrices. With adjustable speed and programmable time, operators can tailor mixing intensity based on sample type. Unpacking the instrument. When you first receive the device, inspect the packaging for damage. Lift the instrument carefully. Work in a clean, bright area. Remove all protective wrapping. Check the instrument body for visible defects. Ensure accessories such as sample bags, power cord, and documents are included. Read the manual before switching on the instrument. Report missing or damaged parts immediately. Once unpacked, the unit is ready for setup. Keypad or control overview. The touch interface allows you to adjust speed, time, and program settings. Speed can be set by tapping the numeric field or using increase, decrease keys. Up to 8 preset programs can be created and selected. A multi-project mode allows multiple programs to run sequentially. Indicators on the screen show running status, DO status, and paddle motion. The run, pause, and settings keys control the workflow. The screen also displays dynamic animations of the paddles and DO for real-time feedback. Operation workflow. Operating the homogenizer involves a simple sequence. 1. Power on. Connect the power cord, switch on the device, and wait for the screen to activate. 2. Adjust paddle distance. Use the black bottom knob, rotate counterclockwise for larger sample volume. Rotate clockwise for smaller volume. 3. Prepare the homogenization bag. Place the sample and solvent inside the sterile bag. Ensure the bag's lower edge aligns correctly under the hammer plate, slightly elevated for small volumes to prevent rupture. 4. Secure the door. Insert the bag into the chamber, close the door, and listen for a confirmation. Click. The screen should display closed. 5. Set speed or time. Tap the settings panel, choose speed. Set time. Select a program if desired. 6. Start homogenization. Press run. The animation indicates active paddle movement. When the timer ends, you'll hear an alert, and the system pauses automatically. 7. Remove the sample. Once stopped, open the door, remove the bag, and proceed with downstream testing. 8. Safety stop. If the door opens mid-operation, the machine pauses instantly to protect the user. Ideal working conditions. For best performance, ensure the power plug fits securely. Avoid opening the door while paddles are moving. Keep hands away from the bottom opening, it is designed for overflow trays. Inspect chamber for foreign objects before starting. Avoid processing materials like bones or ice that may damage bags. Store homogenizer bags away from direct sunlight to prevent aging. Adjust paddle distance when working with small volumes or tough fibers. These conditions ensure smooth and accurate homogenization. Safety precautions. Observe the following safety rules. Place the machine on a stable, flat surface. Check voltage compatibility before use. Do not operate with wet hands. Keep fingers, hair, and loose clothing away from moving parts. Ensure sample bags are sealed properly. Never overload the unit. Always close the lid before running. Let the machine fully stop before opening the door. Disconnect power before cleaning or maintenance. Responsible handling protects both user and instrument. Troubleshooting guide. Not starting, check power, fuse, voltage, and door. Vibration, Place on flat surface, tighten paths. Bag leakage, use good bags, seal properly, lower pressure. Poor mixing, adjust speed, time, reposition bag. Stop suddenly, check overheating or door lock. Paddles not moving, clear blockage, check motor, belt. Electrical issue, switch off, call technician. Door stuck, wait for full stop, release pressure. Disposal guidelines. When the device reaches end of life, do not discard with household waste. Follow local e-waste regulations. Separate electronic and metal components if required. Use authorized recycling centers. Contact your supplier for take-back assistance. Proper disposal protects the environment and supports sustainability. This concludes the complete operating guide for the paddle blender homogenizer. By following proper setup, correct operating techniques, and routine maintenance, you'll achieve consistent and contamination-free homogenization for a wide range of sample types. Thank you for watching. Dinesh Scientific, precision you can trust. For more details, contact us today.